Hey, it's Kelly. I am so thrilled that I saw this company and I took action. I joined up and working in the school system. I've been teaching for 10 years and doing about, minimum 50 hours a week. I was ready to have something that I could do to replace my teacher income. It was just a lot of hours, and myself as a single mother, I wanted to be a part of something that I could be a stay-at-home full-time mom. So I'm so glad that I took a look at this and I was able to replace my teacher pay in a matter of about 3 months, like 8 times my teacher pay. I love being able to work my business here on the couch if I want to. So now I am a full-time stay-at-home mother to a teenager. I was really so excited to have something that I could replace that pay and build all over the world. So don't waste any time today. Come on board. This is exciting.